Hey there, science fans. Let's talk periods. I know, it's not the most glamorous topic, but trust me, it's fascinating. Menstruation is a natural process that has puzzled scientists and intrigued curious minds for centuries. Menstruation is this weird thing that happens in some mammals, where the lining of the uterus sheds, causing bleeding. This process is part of the reproductive cycle and is essential for fertility. Humans do it, some primates do it, even bats and elephant shrews do it. It's a club with some pretty diverse members, but why? Why would a body go through this seemingly wasteful process? It's a question that has baffled many. It seems counterintuitive, right? I mean, losing blood and nutrients every month, it sounds like a raw deal. But there's more to it than meets the eye. Well, hold on to your hats, folks, because there's a really cool evolutionary reason behind it. This process has evolved over millions of years and plays a crucial role in reproductive health. To understand menstruation, we need to talk about pregnancy. Pregnancy is resource-intensive. It requires a significant amount of energy and nutrients to support the developing fetus. This process places a considerable demand on the mother's body, which must adapt to provide for both herself and her growing baby. A growing fetus needs a lot of energy and nutrients from its mother. This includes essential vitamins, minerals, and calories that are crucial for the fetus's development. The mother's body prioritizes the fetus's needs, often at the expense of her own health and well-being. This demand creates an interesting conflict between the mother and the fetus. The mother's body must balance its own needs with those of the developing baby, leading to a delicate and sometimes challenging equilibrium. The mother, from an evolutionary perspective, wants to spread her genes. She aims to have multiple healthy offspring to ensure the survival of her genetic lineage. This means she must maintain her own health to care for future pregnancies and children. She wants to have as many healthy offspring as possible. This goal requires her to manage her resources effectively, ensuring she can support each child while maintaining her own well-being. The fetus, on the other hand, is only concerned with its own survival and growth. It demands a constant supply of nutrients and energy, often pushing the mother's body to its limits. It wants all the resources it can get, even if it means taking more than its fair share. This can lead to the mother experiencing fatigue, nutrient deficiencies, and other health challenges during pregnancy. This sets the stage for a biological tug-of-war. The mother and fetus are in a constant struggle to balance their needs, creating a dynamic and complex relationship that is essential for the continuation of life. The placenta is where this mother-fetus conflict plays out. The placenta is this amazing organ that connects the mother to the fetus, supplying it with nutrients and oxygen. But the human placenta is special. It's invasive. It burrows deep into the mother's uterine wall, tapping directly into her blood supply. This gives the fetus direct access to the mother's resources, but it also comes with risks. These risks include things like hemorrhage, high blood pressure, and even gestational diabetes. Because of these risks, the mother's body has evolved a way to be picky about which embryos it supports. Enter menstruation. This natural process is a crucial part of the reproductive cycle for those with a uterus. Think of it as nature's quality control system for embryos. Just like how nature ensures only the fittest animals survive, the same principle applies here. Only the strongest, healthiest embryos can successfully implant in the uterine lining. This selective process is vital for the health of both the mother and the potential offspring. If an embryo is weak or unhealthy, implantation fails. This might seem harsh, but it's nature's way of ensuring that only the best genetic material is passed on. When this happens, the uterine lining sheds along with the unviable embryo. This is menstruation. It's a natural reset, preparing the body for a new cycle. It might seem wasteful, but it's actually a brilliant way to prevent complications from risky pregnancies. By eliminating weak embryos early, the body avoids potential health issues down the line. By shedding the lining, the mother's body gets a fresh start. This renewal process is essential for maintaining reproductive health and overall well-being, so there you have it. Menstruation is a complex yet fascinating process that plays a critical role in human reproduction. Menstruation isn't just some random, annoying thing. It's a well-orchestrated biological function with a purpose. It's a powerful evolutionary adaptation that protects the mother's health and ensures that only the fittest embryos survive. Pretty cool, huh? Understanding this can help us appreciate the incredible intricacies of our bodies.